Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Look at them, walking all that way, some with no shoes, some carrying little kids. How do they do it?
It's 80 kilometers from Najaf to Karbala, but it's more than just distance. It's love in motion.
Do you know what Arbaeen really is?
It's 40 days after Ashura, right?
Yes. It's when hearts walk. They walk toward a man who gave everything, Imam Hussein. And every step says, we haven't forgotten.
The first Arbaeen was when the survivors returned, Lady Zainab, Imam Sajjad. They came back to the land where their loved ones lay, to grieve, to remember, to declare, the truth lives on.
You really think walking to Karbala changes anything?
You don't get it. It's not about changing the world in one walk. It's about changing yourself one step at a time.
That's beautiful. Why do you do this?
Because millions walk for Hussein. And if I can't walk, I'll serve. Just like the people who host the Zawar, serving others is the spirit of Karbala. Arbaeen is not a protest. It's not a festival. It's a living, breathing message that Hussein's sacrifice still lights the hearts of the world. That unity, compassion, and truth can still bring millions together.
Arbaeen is not just in Iraq. It's in every step we take toward goodness, every time we speak up, every time we give, every time we live for something greater than ourselves. Because the walk toward Hussein is the walk toward Allah.